So in this video we are going to find even and odd elements in an array in Java. So let's start. So import Java util all and access modifier of public class. Let's name it A2, or you can name it main as well in this compiler if you are doing from an Android smartphone. Access modifier public static, no new objects will be created. Void, no return type. Main is the name of the function which takes string arguments. Inside the scanner class we are creating an object sc, which is a new object. Prompting the user to enter how many elements to store. That number will be stored inside integer n is equal to sc.nextInt method. We are taking the user input here. Next we are going to create an array, integer array equals to new int and parameter as n number of elements. Again we are going to prompt the user to enter elements. So the user will now start to enter elements. For that we need a loop. Inside the loop integer I is equal to, so counting starts from 0th element, it will go till n and it will increment by 1, so I plus plus, and inside that we are going to take the user input for array of I is equal to sc.nextInt method. Okay, now we are going to find the even and odd elements. So even elements are divisible by 2 and odd elements are not divisible by 2. So for that we have to again create a loop for integer I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So inside that we have to give a condition if array of I modulus 2 double equals to 0. So this is the condition, double equals to 0, and wait, I'm just adjusting this. Okay, so if array modulus 2 double equal to 0, then we have to print them. Okay, so system dot out dot print, we are going to print the array elements, that is I, or we can say array of I. Okay, first we will check till here if it's okay or not. Oh, so there are only 2 errors. I have forgotten to give the semicolon over here, and scanner will take system input. Yeah, those were the 2 mistakes. So yeah, let's run. How many elements to store? Let's say 5 elements. So we have 1 2 3 4 5. So here we can see even is 2 and 4, odd is 1 3 and 5. Let's see what it gives. So yeah, 2 and 4 is our answer. So we can just adjust this a bit. Let's say here, let's say even elements elements are, yeah, and after that a bit of space and plus, and inside this loop again we are going to say that else if array of I modulus 2 is not equal to 0. So if this condition is true, then system dot out dot print I'm giving print. If required, I will give println later. So we are printing odd elements are, just a bit of space, plus arr of I. So we are basically printing I. Okay, now let's run this. So how many elements to store?